This is the Ergosharp Sharpening Guide. We have a gel pad sticky that you put on the back of it where it says patent pending. And what it does is it sticks your Ergosharp to your stone. To turn on the Ergosharp, you simply shake it to wake it. Then, once you get to your 110-degree angle, the lights turn on. So your goal is to keep the lights on while you're sharpening. If the lights turn off, you've come off your 110-degree angle. So again, your goal is to keep the lights on. If I come off, the lights turn off. If I get back on 110, the lights turn on. If I come off this way, the lights turn off, and I bring it back to 110. And so it's keeping you at your 110-degree sharpening angle. Then, once you're done with your patient, you can take it off. The stone goes into sterilization. The Ergosharp gets wiped down, disinfected, or you can also put a barrier on top of it if you want a barrier.